Alright guys, everybody sent me that video of the most recent popular paint pour, so I figured that we would recreate it. I've got my friend Michelle here and we're going to add a bunch of colors and then do the colander pour. So go ahead. Okay, we'll just set that there because we can move on now. Okay, and then we're just going to stretch it across.
That's gorgeous.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. I got it. Thank you. All right, so that's version number 1. Oh, let's zoom out a little. It turned out very, very pretty. We'll be right back with the second one. Okay, so now we're gonna do just color pours and use up the rest of the paint, and use this blue one that I got from the dollar store. That the holes are a little bit bigger. I was thinking of using the sink strainer, but then there's that long thing at the end. Okay, so let's do some white first. Okay guys, we got everything on there. This turned out much more like what we were hoping for, even though the other one is still really beautiful. So I don't want to mess anything up. I'm going to go really slow and try to cover the edges. I want to try to preserve that purple in the middle as much as possible. Oops. Well, it's getting preserved all right. There we go.
Can you
So
take a stick?
yeah, do whatever you want, whatever calls you.
See, look at that.
Mm-hmm. Oh, now I could use you. Thank you, dear.
Probably shouldn't touch the art like that.
Oh no, it'll meld all together and turn really beautiful. Don't you ever worry about that. Sometimes when you really like something and you touch it, you mess it up and you're like, oh, I should have left that alone.
Mm-hmm.
But then sometimes it just turns out really beautiful. Look, that looks like the earth.
Doesn't it? Doesn't it? And when I scratched it through, green came through, which wasn't there before.
Yeah, and it's gonna pop more through as it dries. So that's all there is to it, you guys. This was my first one ever, and that was Michelle's first one. That was where we kind of did a dirty pour, and then this is where we did, I think it's called a clean pour, where we do one color at a time. So we're gonna just keep playing, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Oh, that's so pretty.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. So we are not going to stretch these ones. We are just going to let the cards fall where they may. We're going to leave it alone, let nature do these ones. So I'm going to move this up here so it can dry, and we're going to move on to the next one. Thank you, dear.
Pleasure. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Oh my
I
gosh.
think I'm in love. I'm so
Yeah, as soon as
mesmerized.
Christian showed me one video,
Uh-huh.
and I was just totally enthralled. Okay. Okay, guys, so those are our colander pours. I hope that you loved it. We had a lot of fun doing it, and hope to see you in our next video. See ya. Bye-bye.